You're in a brand new place, talking to someone you've just met when it hits you. An overwhelming, crystal clear feeling that you have lived this exact moment before. That's déjà vu, French for already seen. It's a weird, fleeting sensation most of us just shake off. Science tells us it's a glitch in the brain's wiring, a tiny misfire in that complex machine between our ears. One leading idea is the dual processing theory. Your brain processes the same event twice in rapid succession due to a tiny delay. The first perception feels present, but a near-instant replay is wrongly flagged as a memory, making a new moment feel strangely old. Another is the memory mismatch theory. If a new event subtly reminds you of something previously seen, your brain flags it as familiar without an exact memory match, creating a bizarre conflict. You're left with a powerful sense of familiarity, unattached to a specific past event. From a scientific perspective, déjà vu is nothing more than a healthy brain recognizing a tiny error. But what if this glitch is something more? You see, long before brain scans, ancient cultures felt this same eerie sensation. Except they didn't call it a misfire, they called it a message. Let's go back to ancient Greece. The Greeks believed dreams were a bridge to the divine. In Homer's Odyssey, Penelope dreams of an eagle that signals her husband's return. From this viewpoint, déjà vu could be a fragment of a true dream slipping into your waking mind. You recognize the scene because your soul already saw it in a prophecy. The Greeks even had Morpheus, the shaper of dreams, and a moment of déjà vu could easily be seen as his handiwork. This wasn't just a Greek phenomenon. In ancient Mesopotamia, dreams were direct communications from the gods. The myth of King Dumuzi tells of how he dreamed of his own death, and in trying to run from it, ran right into his fate. For a Mesopotamian, déjà vu would be undeniable proof that you were walking a path the gods had already shown you in a dream. You weren't remembering it, you were recognizing the divine script. Even in Norse mythology, similar themes appear. Odin had two ravens, Hugin and Munin, thought and memory, who flew across the world gathering secrets and whispered them to Odin in dreams. A Norse warrior might see déjà vu as a piece of that divine knowledge, a moment where the threads of fate, woven by the Norns, become briefly visible. These cultures lacked the language of neuroscience, but they trusted their intuition. When they felt that strange sense of already seen, they didn't see a glitch. They saw a connection to a plan, a destiny, a prophecy. So here are two powerful explanations, separated by millennia. On one side, neuroscience tells us that déjà vu is a fascinating hiccup in our brain's complex machinery. On the other, the ancients whisper that these moments are sacred, prophetic glimpses into a world beyond our own. Here's the kicker. What if they're both right? Modern fringe theories are starting to echo these ancient ideas with new words. The multiverse theory suggests infinite parallel universes, each with a version of you living a slightly different life. Could déjà vu be a moment where your reality briefly vibrates in sync with another? You feel like you've lived this moment before because, in another reality, you have. It's a wild idea, but it sounds a lot like a pre-written destiny your soul has already witnessed. What our ancestors called a divine message, you might one day call quantum entanglement. What they called prophecy, you might call a glimpse into an alternate timeline. Ultimately, we can't prove that déjà vu is a peek into a parallel universe, just as we can't definitively prove it's only a brain glitch. And while the scientific explanations are logical, they don't fully capture the profound, almost magical feeling that a strong moment of déjà vu can leave us with. Perhaps the real beauty of it all lies in that question. Déjà vu forces you to face the limits of what you know and to appreciate the deep mystery at the heart of your own consciousness. It's a reminder that even in our modern world, there are still glitches in the matrix. whispers from forgotten dreams, and moments that make you wonder if you're living a life that has, somehow, already been seen. So, what do you think? Is it a trick of the mind, or a hint of something bigger, an ancient prophecy, or indeed a window into another reality? Your journey into the mythic depths of slumber has begun. Now that you know the ancient explanations for déjà vu, learn about sleep anxiety next, and what the Greco-Roman myth of the Furies can teach us about overcoming it. Until then, good night and sleep well.